What's up, guys? It is Tuesday and it's like 3 o'clock, I think, 2:30. Anyways, obviously, we forgot a bunch of stuff when we left, including the camera. So let me just lock the door here. Today, or for the rest of the day, we're kind of starting late. We're off to go pick up the new car and then also get some other errands finished. Join us for this afternoon vlog.
And we had to go back. Did you tell them that we had to go back?
Yep. Well, I told them I also forgot the camera.
Oh yeah. Well, we forgot the camera, but we also forgot keys, a bottle. Jason brought my coffee back inside.
Yeah, we went to the end of the street,
Yeah.
around to the main street, and then back to the house.
Yep. Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
So we're headed to the post office right now because we have to mail out Finn's passport. Because we may be going on vacation this summer, but if we're not, we are traveling in the fall anyways. So he needs to get his passport, and I want to show you guys his photo because it's just so funny. It's so cute. Hold on. Let me get this here. Look at him.
Does it focus?
Yeah, he's so cute. He looks like a little monk. That's what, yeah, monk. That's what Addie looked like too when we got her photos taken. But yeah. What are you doing? Oh, Addie's passport? Here, we can show you Addie's passport as well.
Oh, maybe not.
Oh no, I Did he fall?
Who?
The truck?
Did the truck fall? No?
I see it. Okay.
Well, I don't know what you're even asking. Yeah, Melissa's gonna go and we're just hanging out in the car. She's gonna get all that done at the post office. Right, Addie?
Mom?
Yeah, Mama went into the post office.
What?
Where? In the post office. In Shoppers. Yeah. Do you want music? Alright, so we're at the Toyota dealership picking up our car, and we just want to give you an update to the video that we did a couple weeks ago, or a week ago.
Yeah, it was last week.
Yeah, so anyway, so when we talked last, we talked about praying about this new car, praying about our finances, and yeah, God provided and showed us. Well, we were down, and then we discussed, I said, okay, we need to re-budget everything. So that's what we did. We looked at our finances and we figured that we were okay, and that we just need to keep paying attention to our finances and just make sure that we're not spending outside our needs, which is good financial advice to anyone listening, is to not spend outside your needs. And
But also trust that God will provide regardless.
yes, I know in the tough times it's hard and it's easy to get down, but yeah, we just prayed, and we're not saying that just pray and God's not like
And just expect him to.
yeah, it's not
give
like
you
an
money.
ATM, or he's not like a genie or anything, but he will provide in other ways, and also sometimes you need to struggle in order to learn, and that's what I think this experience was.
God also meets you in like the hard places too, like in the middle of like the chaos. He meets you there. So.
Yeah, and God will never give you any situation that you can't handle. So he knew that we needed to rely on him, and that's what he wants. And I know, and he's waiting. I know, sorry, all the windows are down, and it's
You mean
like
up? All the windows are up.
Yes, sir. I said get out. Okay, anyways, we'll show you the car once
It's
we
hot
go get
here.
it. Okay. We came with Finn by ourselves first to look at the car, and Addie stayed with my dad. And this is the car that we liked, the Camry. And Addie, when she came to the dealership last week, we had to drop something off, she pointed at this car, and this was the only car she wanted to look at. And of course, she would pick the fanciest one in the dealership. Yeah, look at that. Beep, beep. Melissa and I both really like this red leather. It's safe to say this isn't the car that we got. We got one that was way more economical for us, and it's the Toyota Yaris. Is that your moose? Are you excited for the new car?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You looking at Mama?
Always so beautiful. Alright, so I just got the keys to the new car right here. Melissa and the kids went home already, and I'll show you the car in better detail when I get home.
I feel like a woman.
And Melissa's with Finn, getting him all ready for bed. He's just drinking his bottle now. And here is my car, or the old car, and you can see that a bird decided to take a big poop. I think it's a sign that this car is donezo. I'll show you some cool parts of it now. Like we said before, God totally provided with our finances and with giving us a car and a good timeline, especially since I didn't know when the accent was going to die on me, and I've been driving it for the past almost a week now, with it being in the condition that it is. We'll see you guys when we upload next. We'll see you then. Okay, love you. Bye.